Ladies and gentlemen, coin enthusiasts and collectors from around the globe, today we're diving into the fascinating world of one of the most intriguing coins in American numismatic history, the 1973 US half dollar. This coin, often overlooked by casual collectors, holds a unique place in the hearts of serious numismatists. But the question on everyone's mind is it valuable? And more importantly, can it become even more valuable in the future? The answer is a resounding yes, and today, I'm going to tell you exactly why this coin is a hidden gem that could skyrocket in value. Let's start with a bit of history. The 1973 US half dollar is part of the Kennedy half dollar series, which was first minted in 1964 to honor President John F. Kennedy after his tragic assassination. The series has become one of the most iconic in American coinage, and the 1973 issue is no exception. While it may not be the rarest coin in the series, it carries significant historical weight and sentimental value, especially for those who lived through the era of Kennedy's presidency and the profound impact he had on the nation. Now, let's talk about the design. The 1973 half dollar features the iconic profile of President Kennedy on the obverse, designed by Gilroy Roberts, and the presidential seal on the reverse, designed by Frank Gasparo. The design is timeless, elegant, and deeply symbolic, making it a favorite among collectors. The 1973 issue, in particular, is notable for its composition. By this time, the coin was minted in a copper-nickel clad composition, as opposed to the earlier silver versions. While this might make some collectors think it's less valuable, the truth is that the 1973 half dollar has its own unique appeal, especially in higher grades. Speaking of grades, the condition of your 1973 half dollar is absolutely critical when determining its value. Coins in uncirculated or mint state condition, especially those with high grades like MS-65 or MS-66, can command significant premiums. Even circulated examples in excellent condition can be worth more than their face value. But here's the exciting part: if you have a 1973 half dollar with rare mint marks or errors, you could be sitting on a gold mine. For example, the 1973 D half dollar, minted in Denver, is particularly sought after in higher grades. And while the 1973 issue doesn't have the same silver content as earlier years, its historical significance and growing collector demand make it a coin with tremendous potential. So, what's the current value of a 1973 half dollar? Well, it depends on the condition and rarity of your specific coin. Circulated examples typically sell for a few dollars, but uncirculated coins can fetch anywhere from $10 to $50 or more, depending on their grade. High-grade examples, especially those with rare mint marks or in pristine condition, can sell for hundreds of dollars. And here's the kicker: as time goes on and more collectors enter the market, the value of these coins is only going to increase. The 1973 half dollar is a prime candidate for future appreciation, making it a smart investment for anyone looking to build a valuable coin collection. But let's not stop there. Imagine the potential of this coin in the next 10, 20, or even 50 years. As the supply of high-quality 1973 half dollars dwindles and demand continues to rise, the value of these coins could soar to unprecedented heights. We're talking about a coin that could easily double or triple in value, especially if it's part of a complete Kennedy half dollar set or has unique characteristics that set it apart from the rest. The 1973 half dollar is not just a piece of history, it's a piece of history that's poised to become even more valuable over time. Now, let's talk about the emotional aspect of owning a 1973 half dollar. This coin is more than just metal and design, it's a tangible connection to a pivotal moment in American history. Holding a 1973 half dollar is like holding a piece of the legacy of John F. Kennedy, a president who inspired millions and left an indelible mark on the world. For collectors, this emotional connection adds immeasurable value to the coin, making it a must-have for anyone serious about numismatics. And let's not forget the thrill of the hunt. Finding a 1973 half dollar in excellent condition or with rare characteristics is like discovering buried treasure. It's a challenge that keeps collectors coming back for more, and the satisfaction of adding such a coin to your collection is unparalleled. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, the 1973 half dollar offers endless opportunities for discovery and investment. So, what's the maximum value a 1973 half dollar can reach? While it's impossible to predict the future with absolute certainty, experts agree that high-grade examples of this coin could easily reach values of $500 or more in the coming decades. And if you happen to have a rare mint mark or an error coin, the sky's the limit. The key is to hold on to your coin, keep it in the best possible condition, and watch as its value grows over time. In conclusion, the 1973 US half dollar is a coin with immense potential. Its historical significance, timeless design, and growing collector demand make it a valuable addition to any collection. Whether you're looking to invest in a piece of history or simply enjoy the thrill of collecting, the 1973 half dollar is a coin that's sure to bring you both financial and emotional rewards. So don't wait, start your search for this hidden gem today, and who knows? You might just find yourself holding a coin that's worth a fortune in the future. Happy collecting!